Oh, no, 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 no.
Budoy?
Madam?
You eating my husband banana every day?
Ay, Diyos ko. Pinagsilusan ata ako.
No, madam.
But why? I told you every day, eat my husband banana.
Uy,
No, I don't like.
Why? You know listening. Come, listening to me. Listening very good. You eat banana of my husband.
Oh, no, 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 no.
It's good for you.
What is that, madam? I don't like your husband banana.
My husband like.
I don't like.
No. You need to eat husband banana, okay? Take this one, take this one.
Every day, I will give Sir banana to eat.
Yes. You need to eat banana, sir, every day.
Bakit iba yung iniisip ko? Mali ata ako. Ay, tumulong.